Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to move the downloads folder to another drive in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is useful to be able to do, as the downloads folder can then take up a lot of space, and so you can go and move it to a drive with more space. Perhaps go and open up File Explorer like so. Now what you need to do is go and find the downloads folder. For me, I can see it over to the left here. Alternatively, click on Home at the top and you can then see it here. You can right-click on it and click on Properties. Now what you need to do is go and tap on Location. And what you can do is go and click on Move, and what you can then do is go and find the drive you want to move it to, so you can come over to the left and go and scroll down, and you can then click on this PC. In this case, I'll go and do it on New Volume F. I'll go and double click there, and I'll then click on Select Folder. I could also go and put it into another folder if I want to, and then what we can do is go and click Apply, and we'll need to go and confirm we want to go and start the process. So all you need to do is click Yes, and the folder, all of its content is going to be moved. You can press Yes and start the process.